Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Ktura Kay and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing another Fenty try on haul, and these are all items that I purchased from Fenty, and they had a VIP sale a few weeks ago. Some of these things I got from there, and then some of these things I ended up ordering after like the fashion show. Y'all were loving the last Fenty haul that I did. It was the unboxing of the Fenty VIP box. So these are some other cute things that I recently picked out, and they just had the Savage X Fenty fashion show, which was, oh my goodness, I wish I could have been in that show. That show was so bomb. I even went back and watched the first one again, and I was just like, so epic. Like, Rihanna really did her thing. Like, she is amazing. She really did her thing. Like, that show had me in awe. Like, she had all different types of models, and it was just different. It wasn't the type of model that you would normally see on the runway, and that is just so dope, because you know, you're breaking that barrier of, you know, what's normal. People, it's so many different people in this world that have different conditions, or you know, different things going on in their life, and we want to see that. You know, we want to see that represented. So it was definitely a lot of representation, and that is needed. That is honestly needed, especially in this day and age. And Rihanna nailed it, and I just love her for that, because she is different, and she wanted to show everybody that, hey, different is okay. So, but anyways, I don't want to get to rambling, but like I said, Savage X Fenty is amazing. These pieces are beautiful. They're quality pieces, and I know they're going to last a long time. And yeah, so I just can go on and on about the line. I'm really obsessed with Savage X Fenty and Rihanna's whole Fenty line, Fenty Beauty. I have that on my face right now, and it's just like, I'm obsessed. Rihanna is doing the damn thing. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna hop right into the video. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which pieces you like the best, and if you've gotten your hands on any of these pieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell also to be notified when I post new videos. We're gonna get started and hop into the first piece. So let's do it. Alright, so this is everything I got from the collection. I think I really picked out some goodies. I really did. Hopefully you all like them, but we're gonna just go ahead and get right into it. So the first one that I have here, this one is the Hyper Real Lace and Vinyl Bustier and the Hyper Real Lace Strappy G-String. So this is a set, and this is in the color Shy Pink. I really love this color. It's so beautiful. As you can see, it looks so good on melanin skin, and oh my goodness, it's just bomb. And basically it has lace on the inside of the vinyl for the bustier. Lace has like an iridescent finish as well, so really cute. It glistens in the light, and it's beautiful. So this is the G-string that goes along with it. It has 3 straps going around the back, and of course the, you know, G-string right here. So in the front, it's no vinyl on the thongs, so I don't think we need any vinyl down there. You don't need that. So they did not put any vinyl in the G-string, which is cute still, and it has that beautiful iridescent lace here as well, so it matches the bustier perfectly. So next up we have the Living in the Clouds iridescent lace corset, and this is one of my faves. I literally had to go back. I placed one of these orders like a week prior, and then I had to go back and purchase some stuff from the fashion show, because if, like I said, if you did not watch that fashion show, honey, you missed out. It's still on Amazon Prime, I believe, so you can go check it out. Representation, gorgeousness, fierceness, oh my goodness, it was everything and more. So you definitely have to check it out. And this is one of my favorite pieces from the show. It's a really pretty pink color, and it's described as rose violet pink because it also has an iridescent finish on the lace, and it's like a violet color, so it's really cute. Of course, I got the G-string to match, so I'm going to show you all what the G-string looks like as well, and it has that beautiful iridescent finish as well, so it matches perfectly. And it has a really cute little like kind of like a crystal here in the front and a bow, so detail. So this is the back. The back is pretty simple, has a really cute piece of lace here and the G-string giving all the action in the back, honey. So up next, this is a 3-piece set that I got. You don't have to get all 3 pieces if you don't want to, but I just decided to because I love a good garter. So this is the Living in the Clouds quarter cup caged bra. And it's a really pretty green and pink color. It has like leaves on it, giving that jungle vibe, you know. So I really thought this was really cute. Here it's showing a little nipple action, so you don't necessarily have to cover it up. If you're wearing it for your man, then by all means, do what you do, boo. So it's really cute. It has the little bow details here, 3 pink bows. This is described as the Jungle Love print. So to go along with the bra, we have the thong, and it's the same print, has a really cute little bow there as well. The back is more of a mesh material, so it goes right in there and gives you all the action. I love a good thong. It's just really cute. Now, I don't really like wearing thongs on a day-to-day basis unless, you know, my panty line is showing or something like that. But this is cute for in the bedroom, of course. So it goes in the back, and this is the front. So the last piece for this little set is the garter, and it's this really cute print, same print of course, and it has the detailing at the bottom of the garter, this little pink ribbon, and in the back is really where the action is. I'm sure you can wear it in the front or in the back depending on how you like it, but I believe this is the back. So you have a cute little bow here in the back, like I'm your prize, okay? It's giving me a cute little tease, and I'm loving it. I was like, this is such a cute addition to just the basic bra. The bra is already, bam, like beautiful. So why not add the garter to it? Really cute. So next up, we have the Savage Not Sorry half cup bra with lace, and I love the detail here. This lace detailing is so beautiful, and this color is just like no other. It's so pretty. This is the color Pink Flash, so it's giving me like an orangish, hot pinkish vibe, like a neon orange, neon pinkish orange, like that little mix, but it's beautiful. And we have the Savage Not Sorry low rise strappy thong, and like I said, it's that really pretty pink flash color, and it has all of the details here. This is the front, as you can see, all the straps. That's why it's called a strappy thong, and the back is like this, and the 2 straps go around the back. So you have 2 little straps here. So cute. And it has a really cute little detail here. It's a gold X for Savage X, of course. And to top that beautiful set off, I got this Commitment Issues fishnet bodysuit. So cute when you put it on. I also got another color as well, but I really liked it with the Savage Not Sorry set and the Pink Flash because the colors are pretty much the same. This is in Pink Flash as well, and I just really think it's really cute. You know, something cute. It's crotchless, and your legs go in here. They have it in blue and black, I believe. The black one is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the black is just so sexy. I love black, everything. As you can see, I have this little number on as well. Perfect for wearing it around the house. And I've even seen some people like, oh, I'm wearing this out, because you can definitely wear something like this out. You know, if you're on the town, because it's not too revealing, and, you know, it's just showing a little belly, and it's really cute. But this is the body stocking, like I said, one of my faves. So next up, we have the Hyper Real Vinyl and Lace Bustier. And as you can see, I have 2 colors in that one because I was so indecisive. I did not know what color would look best on me. So I might let y'all be the judge of that. Let me know which one y'all like better. But I like both of them, so I just went ahead and got both. But this is in the color Blue Cyber Cafe. And it has this blue metallic lace on the inside. And of course, I got the strappy G-string to match. And it has that metallic finish, as you can see here. Really cute. And the 3 strings going around the back. And last but not least, this is the last piece that I got. And this actually goes with the Hyper Real set. I got this cupless corset, and I thought it was really cute as well. I was like, I love the blue. The blue look is just giving me all the vibes, honestly. I really like the color. It looks really good on my skin tone, and I just thought it was cute. And I love corsets, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna just get this to go with the blue set. I like this one in the blue better. But yeah, so I love this, the vinyl and the lace. Like, these pieces are so unique. You definitely won't find anything like this anywhere else. I've never seen anything like it, so I'm like, hey, I gotta get my hands on that. If you don't want it to be cupless, you can actually add the bra, and it goes perfect with the G-string as well. So that is everything that I got from Savage X Fenty. Hopefully you all enjoyed this, and comment down below if you watched that Savage X fashion show. Honey, epic. Let me know what you thought about it. I loved it, and she had a lot of unique models, and I just thought it was really a beautiful, well put together show. It was top of the line, so that's why I love Savage X Fenty. So thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So anyways, like I said, I love these pieces. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which ones you like the best and which ones you got your hands on or want to get your hands on. Let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.